What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Alchemy Pay ACH, which has pumped up 18% in the last 24 hours. Most of the pump was literally yesterday afternoon, but it has been maintaining that value of 0.01848 cents, so nearly hitting the 2 cents target. So we're going to be looking at, is it likely to pump up higher, is it going to crash back down, or is it going to maintain its current value? And also looking at, is now the right time to buy it? Is it too late? Or if you're on a profit, should you sell it and take out your profit? Or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher over the next couple of weeks, months, and so on? So I am going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, as well as look at its prediction. And also, going into 2024 with just about 2 months away, is this a must-have crypto in your cryptocurrency portfolio? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm going to hide this and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and we can see Alchemy Pay is trading at a higher value than its average value here, which is in purple, meaning it's performing very well. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line both looking bearish, heading towards a negative direction, meaning drops in value are expected from Alchemy Pay over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, do expect an overall minimal drop in value from Alchemy Pay. Nothing too crazy. What I'm expecting is for it to head just below 0.017 cents. Below this target here is where I'm expecting Alchemy Pay to be trading at towards the end of the day today. However, it is likely to peak up in value in between as well, potentially nearing the 2 cents target over the next couple of hours before it slowly starts to drop back down in value below 0.017 cents towards the end of the day today, is what my expectations are from ACH at the moment. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? We do have the blue and the orange line still looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning more drops in value are expected from this crypto over the next 7 to 8 days. So let's say by mid next week, guys, Alchemy Pay should have dropped back down in value once again. But again, nothing too crazy, nothing too major. A minimal drop in value is what I'm expecting. Heading down to 0.015 cents is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at by mid next week. But again, that does not mean that it's going to be consistently hitting red candles for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are likely to see the odd green day here and there in between, where it's likely to pump up a little bit, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. So once again, an overall drop in value is what my expectations are. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line have both taken a complete U-turn, and they are both heading upwards towards the bullish direction, meaning an overall increase in value is what is expected from Alchemy Pay over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So potentially mid to late December 2023, I'm expecting Alchemy Pay to have gone for an overall increase in value. But again, we can see that it has been slowly gaining value over the last 2 weeks approximately. It has been gaining value, and we should see that continue over the next 6 to 8 weeks as well, but not at this pace, guys. It is likely to have more red days in between, and potentially heading to over the 3 cents target is where I'm expecting Alchemy Pay to be trading at in December 2023, so essentially towards the end of the year. But again, that is only if Bitcoin manages to pump up to around the $40,000 mark, which I'm also expecting from Bitcoin, as mentioned that plenty of times in my videos. Guys, if you haven't been watching my videos, I did earlier on this year, I did predict Bitcoin to hit around $35,000 by mid to late October, and that is exactly what's taken place. And now we should be on the way to $40,000. Hopefully by the end of the year we should have a positive impact on the crypto market as well. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Alchemy Pay, guys, and hopefully we should be heading upwards for the rest of the year. Moving on to the Fibonacci scale, here we can see we are still trading in the red zone, and we've got quite a long way for us to head into the green zone, which is we're gonna have to hit 0.03365 cents, which again, this is a tricky one. I'm not expecting it to hit this year, but early next year I'm expecting it to hit the resistance target and head into the green zone in Q1 and Q2 of 2024. So yes, an overall increase is what is expected. However, if there are any major updates or major news that come across that can have a potential positive or negative impact on the value of not just Alchemy Pay or Bitcoin, but the crypto market in general, I will let you guys know as soon as I can. So let's get rid of this one here. Going into the coin market cap website, here we can see the trading volume has gone up a crazy amount, 720% up, making $87 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading. Is one of the top gainers. So if I go into the Binance website, we can see that Alchemy Pay is the 6th top gainer in the last 24 hours, meaning it's performing very well and is getting a lot of attention from both investors and sellers point of view. So there is a lot of activities going on for Alchemy Pay, and is likely to go even higher over the coming hours, as we are likely to see more buyers as well as more sellers as well. So going back into the Alchemy Pay candlestick pattern chart here, so those of you wondering, is now the right time to buy it? Personally, no, it isn't, as I am expecting it to drop back down in value, as I mentioned earlier on in the video, over the coming hours and coming days as well. So if I really wanted to invest into the crypto, I would wait for it to drop back down to around below 0.015 cents and potentially invest then, or even lower than that. I will use DCA, dollar cost averaging. That I've already explained that plenty of times. If you don't know what DCA mean, simply Google has the answers to that. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.